everybody, thank you for joining me and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bella Helena, and today I wanted to introduce myself and also letting you know what I'll be talking about on my YouTube channel, who influenced me and how I learned and I'm still learning, and who I'm targeting to be watching my video. What are we going to be talking on my channel? We'll be talking about fashion, style, DIY, and just life in general. I wanted to start the YouTube channel because I've been watching a lot of YouTubers and realize and notice that I can do this. I want to do this. I have the courage, I have the determination, and I realize that they can live life, travel, spend time with their family. They don't have to work a 9 to 5 job to make a living. That's what really started, and I just need to learn. I'm learning, and if I can do, anybody can do it. I'm learning from them. Just your first video will never be the best. You're gonna improve as you go. You're gonna learn from the first and see what you did wrong. You can improve to the next one. As long as you have determination and you wanna live a better life and live your best life ever and travel and see the world, you can do it. And who I'm targeting is young adults, and pretty much the community, to watch my video. And my goal is to become the best YouTuber and to be able to be successful on this business. And I am going to do my best as I can to get there. Last thing I want to mention that thank you so much for coming and watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe.